Good morning, everyone. It's travel day. Paxton and I are going on a trip with my mom. We are going to board the Disney Dream out of the Port of New York for a 6-night sailing, and we are going to sail to one of our favorite islands, Bermuda. So this is a Halloween on the high seas sailing, and we are really looking forward to it. Hopefully we're going to be able to dodge Hurricane Philippe or Philippe, not sure how you pronounce it. We are just leaving home right now. We're driving to port. It's showing about 3 hours and 20 minutes, so fingers crossed we don't hit too much traffic and we make it for our early port arrival time. Our boarding time is 11:30 today, so here we go. So we just stopped here at McDonald's in Connecticut. I don't know if you've ever driven on 95, but there's a whole chain of McDonald's every couple of miles. So these are a great little rest stop for us. They have a mobile, there's a gas station, Subway, McDonald's, and Dunkin' and that kind of stuff. So we'll get out, change the baby, grab some breakfast, and then kind of be on our way. We've lucked out so far with the weather. It was raining on us for a little bit, but it seems to be a break in the rain, hoping that it holds off long enough for us to safely get to port and kind of navigate New York City. And you know, New York was flooded last week, so hopefully we don't run into any of that. But that's kind of our update at the moment. So we're just pulling up to the cruise terminal right now. This was seriously like the easiest terminal to find. Parking is right here, right next to the ship. You can kind of see how close we are. I did do the pre-schedule for the parking. So I made my appointment online. I have my QR code here, and I want to say we paid, what do you think we paid? We paid $280 for 6 nights. And also they do have parking if you were to just pull up same day. It's 10:40 right now, and there is ample parking here. Alright, so yeah, I did just pull up. I wanted to double check with her how parking would work for same day. She said if you plan to park here and you don't have a QR code like we have right here, you definitely want to make sure that you arrive early. So they do have availability for same day parking, but like I said, it does fill up. So if you have a later port arrival time, I would probably just come and park and hang around, just to kind of play it safe, because you really can't get a better location than here to park. So the city is right there, and then the cruise ship is right here. Oh, I can see them on the bridge. I wish it was like a nice clear sunny day for us, but I feel like any day is a good day to get on a cruise ship. Alright guys, so this is how they do the luggage drop off here at the Port of New York. I mean, I guess you could bypass this, but it's a rainy day, so I think a lot of people are stopping to utilize it. But basically you just make a quick stop here. Whatever you're going to check for luggage, just take it out of your car, quickly drop it off with them. Make sure you have your luggage tags already on your luggage. You can kind of see them there. They're blue tags for this sailing for us. So we're definitely going to stop and drop what we have. We don't want to carry it in the rain. We'll kind of make what we need to load up just a little bit easier for us. Alright guys, so just to give you a little bit of a timeline, we left Massachusetts around 6:30 this morning. We got here to New York around 10:30. It's cleared up, it's no longer raining. So it took about 4 hours. We did do that pit stop at McDonald's. That probably ate about half an hour of our time. Our port arrival time was 11:30. It's probably about, it's 11:15 right now. We just got the clear to board. So we are heading in to go through security.
You need to see your port arrival forms.
Check
That's like 11:30.
Yes, it is. It's giving me a hard time. So yeah, we have our port arrival time. This little paper right here is super important. Make sure you either screenshot it or have a printed version in your hand, because everybody's going to ask for it 100 times before you get on the ship. And it's going to be the last piece of paper that they scan of yours to give you access to get onto the ship. So make sure you have it printed or saved as a screenshot on your phone. So here we go. We're going to go through security right now. And just as a reminder, when you sail on Disney Cruise Line, you are entitled to bring on 1 bottle of wine or a 6-pack of beer per adult per stateroom. So right there is the hand carry-on allowance for alcohol for those of you that would like to bring something on board. And then also keep in mind that you can bring on alcohol at each port as well. So something to think about when we get to Bermuda. Alright guys, so our check-in process was really seamless today, especially in comparison to how it was last year here at the New York terminal. We just breezed right through security, we breezed right through check-in, and then we got in here. They were boarding concierge as we lined up, and then now they're already calling our boarding group. We are boarding group number 4. So it's pretty smooth loading process this morning, which is nice to see, because I was actually kind of dreading it in comparison to how it was last year this time. So right when you come in, it's kind of set up like an airport. There's tons of seating here available. It's really hot and humid today, so I wasn't really anticipating this temperature, to be honest, because we were getting that hurricane. But there's Paxton. So yeah, I think everyone's kind of dressed like bundled up, because we were thinking we're gonna get a hurricane. It's gonna be cold and windy, and it's really just hot and humid and kind of sticky right now. So we'll see how it is. But when we were driving down 87 going along the Hudson River, the river was like smooth like glass. So let's hope we get kind of lucky with some smoother seas this evening. What are you doing, Pax? Paxton's been sitting in a car for 3.5 hours, so he's really excited. But now that he's here and they've called our boarding group, we are gonna get on board the Disney Dream.
To the Disney Dream.
Thank you.
Hope you have a great day, okay?
Thank you. Paxton, this is your 3rd trip to Bermuda. You're such a lucky boy. If you can't tell, Bermuda is one of our favorite islands. Cruised there on Disney last summer, and we were lucky enough to spend a week there at the Hamilton Princess last summer as well. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Fayette's family.
Disney Dream, please welcome aboard Oakley's family. Disney Dream, please welcome aboard the Flying family.
Thank you. Disney Dream, please. Oh, there's Mickey up there. Paxton, Mickey's up there. How cute. Come on, Pax.
And let's get your room number
5032.
Got it. Hey, bestie.
Alright, so the rain has held off. the pools are open, the splash pad's open, the aqueduct is being cleaned at the moment. Nemo's splash pad's open. And we are gonna go to the spa right now and see if we can get a single day rainforest pass. So let's see how that works out for me. Alright, so here we are at the spa. I was able to get my rainforest room pass. It's $39 for a single day. You can only do the single day on a port day. So this is the gym. It's $139 if you do the pass for the length of your sailing. But I just really wanted to try it out, and I have the baby, so I didn't want to be in here like all the time, but I feel like as an adult only trip, it'd be really a decent value to do the entire sailing. So here we go. This is the rainforest room, and there is a ton of towels. Refreshments and lemon water. This is the part I'm looking forward to, is these hot tubs that hang over the side of the ship. Let's go out there. Oh, they also have these heated beds. These like hot stone beds that you can lounge in. Oh, we can't go out this way. Ooh, this is nice. So here we are at the bow of the ship, and you can kind of see the skyline of New York this way. The sun wants to come out. And then right down there is where you park your vehicle. Trying to look for our car. See if I can see it. We parked down this way. But yeah, it was a really easy walk. So you park over here, down that way, that blue umbrella right there. That's where we dropped our luggage before, so you can kind of see the porter in the yellow. These people, I guess, opted to carry their own suitcases down. And then we have an aircraft carrier over there. But back to the rainforest room. Here's Mr. Paxton. You ready for lunch? Yes. It smells so good in here too. Here are all of the different showers. So tropical thunder, water fun, the rainforest, the cool mist experience. I think I'll like that one. And then here, oh my god, that one is so hot, but so nice. They have like a couple different scrubs here for you too. Oh, let me clear the one. Yeah. Oh, that one smells so good. And then this is just like your regular sauna. So yeah, it's kind of like a quick overview of the rainforest room. I'm really just looking forward to lounging in these beds and in these private little hot tubs and just kind of having like a little bit of quiet time. We're just doing a quick walk right by Mickey's mainsail. Taking a peek into there. Paxton already wants to shop. Pecky, you want to shop? Come on, let's go this way. That's the pirate section. Ooh, I think the golden Mickeys might be tonight. Let's see what they got. So it looks like in here is the 25th anniversary sailing merch. Heard it goes pretty fast. Oh, I might like one of those mugs. Hi. Hi. I don't really know what else I want. I'll have to see. Life is better at sea. Paxton, are we gonna go play? Paxton just took a nice little nap. Come on, let's go to the kids' club. Oh, perfect timing. Bobby's luggage is here. Paxton and I are gonna go check out the It's a Small World nursery. A little bit of playtime. Just saw our luggage over there, so we'll play for a few minutes. Luckily, it's right on our deck. It's not far at all. So we will go do that for a few minutes, and then we will come back and unpack. And at 4 o'clock, we have our muster station drill. So that's the plan. I wanted to bring Paxton to the nursery, but he would much rather hang out in here. They move.
Yes, he's over there.
Come on.
You must be good at singing honey if you're a fan of
one of the green light bats. If we step on the mini platform, nothing's gonna happen.
Oh, that was so cute. Can I get a picture of that?
On the great light bats.
Paxton, look at mommy.
For this movie,
Paxton.
Hi, look over here.
Say cheese. Packy, say cheese.
So,
Pax, look at mama. Say cheese.
player is gonna have a frog in front of you. That's your frog.
Alright.
Smart box is gonna win. Okay.
Alright, so we just had Mr. Paxton lock himself in the bathroom. So just so you know, in case you ever have a child who locks themselves in the bathroom, this little button right here can unlock it from the outside. Go ahead, Paxton, show them how it's done. I wasn't being serious. So he locked himself in the bathroom playing in there because that's what he likes. Oh, there he goes again. He locked himself in again. Packy, open the door. So I can just turn that while he's in there. And there he is. No more, okay? Paxton is pleasantly surprised. Guys, the timing is working out so well today that we're actually gonna get to see the Statue of Liberty, and it cleared up and it's not raining and it's actually like really nice out right now. So we have New York on one side, we're looking over at New Jersey on the other. There's our tugboat who pulled us out, and we do still have a little bit of time before we come up on the Statue of Liberty. But I can't believe how nicely it cleared up. I was expecting today to be like a total and complete washout. I thought it was gonna pour rain and thunder and lightning our entire drive here. But it did rain on us, but only for a little bit, maybe like 20 minutes out of our whole 3-hour drive. So this side that we're looking out over right now is New Jersey. And if you were going to cruise out of the port of Bayonne, we're coming up on it. So you would just be right across the harbor from the port of New York. There she is, the Statue of Liberty, and it just started to rain again. I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's sunny, there are some clouds, and we came out to deck 4, which is my favorite spot over here, to catch her on our way out of the Hudson River. Paxton, what do you got? Who's that guy? Okay. Paxton is obsessed with his Mickey bucket. Ooh. Pax, what's in the bucket? What's in there? Right here. Tonight we are dining in Enchanted Garden. So it's a 6-night sailing. We will dine at each of the 2 restaurants twice. It's a really pretty restaurant. It's located on deck 3, so it's super low. It's on a really low deck. We had a little bit of trouble finding it, but we're a few minutes late, but we made it. So I'm totally not as good as Paul at this, and I missed to let you guys know what we had for dinner. But Paxton had the corn chowder, and he ate it all. Paxton, how was your corn chowder? It was good? And me and my mom got, what did I have? I had the raspberry spinach salad, and I also had the corn chowder, which was really good, Paxton can tell you. And then now we have the scallops. And I haven't tried it yet, so let's try it. They're actually really good. Do you like them? Yeah, she likes them too. They're a winner. just got back to the stateroom, and our attendant made us this crab. So cute. Paxton was wilding out. Then we gave him a water, and he spilled the entire water down his shirt. So we're just gonna call it a night. Yeah, that's your bed. Do you like it? No, not really. Oh, you feel the boat moving? It's rocking a little bit. All right, we're gonna wash our hands and get him ready for bed. And my mom's gonna go see Believe in the Walt Disney Theater tonight. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.